So my people, we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So Blamdem and him rejoicing and this and that about squash. It look like say it's all for nothing, although a win is a win still from them all and upon him there's a possibility them can ship him back a yard. You see me, but me have a virgin, you know what I mean, a man where him a go explain what really go on with squash and why squash, you know what I mean, this now go too far, it have to go squash. You see me? So we're gonna get in that my people, we're gonna share that with Uno. We have come I talk about candy body and our foot will swell up. You see me, enough of these girls go do surgery my people and them know the possibility what can happen to them, you know, and them still go do it because they want to look good. Anyway, they say me I say them say beauty is pain. But you know what I mean, me not feel like say all of them for just take on this body doing thing because enough of them are unalive because of it and enough of them have complications because of it. You see me? Remember, you know, your body are not like one car where you have engine and they can buy one new parts put in there. Only some things in there, only some of your organs them can replace, you see me? And people we have Rosealee, you know, I tell this man when he really what really go on with she and Dinier me people. Not even a year, Dinier that she and Dinier not live for a year. Me not think so. But we are going to hear what she have to say my people. And them say there's three sides to every story, you know, my side, your side, and the truth. So, Jude Dinier is a man where him not really come adjust nothing on the internet. It's like it hard to kind of give Dinier like where I say, you know, for keep like it hard for no have him as the bad guy then. Let me put it at that in a layman term. You see me, it hard to not have him as the bad guy because it look from every angle that he is the bad guy. But we don't know why him do what him do because every action there's a reaction. You understand me? And people, me don't know if it's still, you know, but me I will give my opinion on the situation, you know, because me don't really like what did hear those still, you know, my people, but maybe there's a reason. You see me, because this girl, yeah, she every minute she at Jamaica when she did that foreign. And she did want the family unit together and them live them good family life, but didn't hear look like say boy when him go foreign and see the hot girl them and they sitting them busy me he might turn from family. Boy, me don't know my people, and him go jump in at the him go jump in at the army and all know my people because him know say she might give him a hard time to get him documents and sitting in so he make sure do that cause you have to get your thing right there so boy me I tell you so we also have Dana say boy he look like say the lion man and Fabi, you know what I mean, kick off and things bad between them. We are going to get in at that people and maybe we add more things as we go along so we could just kick it off, you know, my people.
What's supposed to think?
Me not think you manage.
Don't think, man.
I want to right put on like a next show because Saturday, Sunday night gone me boring.
Listen.
But once somebody put on one nice fashion show, you know?
Then I see fashion show go on pan hey.
What is that?
Me don't know me love.
Once me say that lady Dan Raja in her hands like somebody a muggle, one woman in black clothes. A fashion show. That's bad. Then I walk it.
I don't know.
I need to go enter car right now. Me want she judge me. Yeah, everybody body she have problem with her fear. Body look like one blood clot. What they call it? Rectangle. Let she come for me with that look. Candy body them have that. Candy body looks well. Candy have to be careful, you know.
Yeah.
Candy have to be careful. Show you, me tell you this. You see, if Candy... no, we tell you something. No, do Candy body, but Candy want rest. Let me tell you, see, True Candy used to dance and fling himself around and go on with the madness. And he should do his body now. Because when you fling for yourself, probably, you know, sometimes your body and then place to get fun earth and you don't really pay no mind, you know, because you jump around the place. So now she look at the cut, all of them look up blood there and then sitting there with the clog up, start get, you know, get to me and say, if you understand me, I say, so she have to be careful. Look here, remember sir? So that's lady the one with her teeth that fear about that and dead, you know. Cause she need a rest, you know. And she need a rest. And her body do her body do long enough now. 2 weeks, so she shouldn't swell same way, you know. But true, she shouldn't swell same way, so the back swell there for real, you know. So you ever me like she? I would have locked myself in a house and just relax. He not even be able to come on TikTok and beat up himself. Not making arm on everything, just relax. Him blood, everything circulate. Drink a whole heap of water, do exercise. But me not want candy, me like candy. Me not like, me like her. I'm the one to do her. Because her foot is swell and her body is swell same way. And me like her. So, would I want to, you know? But I really want you to just relax and make everything kind of, when you relax the body they come out, it all look good. Our body look good, nothing wrong with our body. Yeah, not nice.
That's true, I believe you.
You can't have beef. You can't have beef, Shay?
I don't know how name so listen. Me listen to you.
You can't have beef. But Lord Jesus Christ, God Almighty. Let me stop talking, me can't go. You never tell lie for me, say me over here chat candy with nothing go say, you know, me can't bother, me like candy is my TikTok girl. Me like her. But I want she to relax and just stop active up herself and wear her for her and go and do her thing. Because if Candy feel relax and everybody don't do it, then can't talk to Candy look good.
No.
I was thinking somebody about them two crosses. The crosses up in the mama big hole, Janko.
I want to skin on my body hole and give me the shit out tight.
Oh shit. I'm not black you. You don't need to come by and say, yeah, what you can't do with it, man. You're Janko. You just want me to mute you. You are mute. That's how you be bothered. When you're mute, you're always sitting there. I can't make a bleaching clothes, yeah? Then I'm back tomorrow. No, something you want to say, but sure, yeah.
Me and them now, cause me no, come, me nobody have no problem, you know. More than when them come my way and fast with me and me talk, and them vex and me no care. Because me don't know nobody not that time. I just see people that put out screen record, say they don't like me and Kitty, and me take it as well. Them did say a joke, but them come back and repeat it again, so me stay my away from people. Me can't bother.
What do you want to do? I never see that.
I just made that. Yeah, me can't bother.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, me can't bother. Hey, you know TikTok make no people eye enemy? TikTok. A rascal up here.
Okay, madam, I run up with nobody. I remember one time I was all alone on my life. I never used to add the people and so many to start go back in a little moment. Want me and stop. I add this as smaddy, I not decline people. When people say me request, me not decline them, I accept them. Cause nobody come say me hype. I feel like say Ray, so I accept everybody and talk to everybody the same. Because nobody not above nobody, everybody on the same level. Right. So I just did so many, but me need to start stay back in my lane where me stop add people for my life, cause me don't want hear say nobody go say, you know say me not like Shay, but me just play with her, but me not like her. Me not depend that. So if you not like me from now, tell me left. No come play with me and friend and talk to me like me you're cool and they sit down for life and go like you like me and like no, me not playing no hypocrite. Cause I want my baby, me not playing no hypocrite no. Me come another time for that. Me can't do hypocrite business.
I real talk.
Yeah, the whole we are big people and I feel like say we need to stop playing hypocrite to one another. Me not feel like that makes no sense.
Why me can't bother with your ass?
I just so mysterious. I just me that. That is why I don't keep friends. Because I am just me always real. Me now go have you every minute, Pamela. Alright, look at my comment section. You think me go over here every day and depend? Kiki, me not like you know, but me just stomach you on my life because I want you gift them. Fuck that shit. If me not like Kiki, me tell Kiki say me don't like her.
Right.
Yeah, if my spirit not take her, me tell her say my spirit not take her. Me can't take hypocrite business with me on there every day attack and make you. Why me take so long for tell you say me not like you? Me tell you that long time from the first time you come here.
Yeah.
So my spirit not take.
Hey, if you are going up on TikTok and say you are going to be real and you know want link with fake people and this and that and you are going to care what people say, be sorry for you. Good luck to you because you're not going to reach nowhere at all. You have to be fake and act accordingly. Just like how you see them move the same way you have to move to reach where you are go. You see what I say? Because you need everybody, even the hypocrite them, the bad mind them, the girl. You need everybody. You see me I say, especially the one that were up on top. So you can't stay there and say, why you're not right. Remember, me tell you say you're not going to reach nowhere. You see me? So who are the missing lady that were come refer to? Ivany? Ivany body shape like we not lie, me say Ivany body look good still, you know what I mean? But that not say I not still Ivany that, you know what I mean? More we tell everything heal up and it come out and see how it look because right now we kinda puffy now, that's why you see them have to wear them tights in there with them inner. You see me candy now, candy need for rest for you. You can't up and down and you just under your body. You know what I mean? So let me know what I think the people record some more.
Thank you.
Hey, me
That
know.
is why I tell you no, I don't keep friends. That is why I stay by myself because a lot of people cannot handle the truth. Me now come here complain on hypocrite with none of on TikTok. Me now come here come smile.
I buy one of this blood clot, yeah. And it is too tight and me cut off it.
And that, bro.
I buy one of this blood
I
clot.
feel like we live in our world right now where each of we need to stop the fake. Stop the pretending shit.
They're not
Be
up.
real and done. Be real and finish.
Them. That's why
If we live in our world where the world always stop be fake, the world will better, you know. Stop pretend with people, stop growing people and smile and laugh with people and behave like say, yeah, we just even just be real and just done. That's why I always tell you know, me don't want to like me. Because me there, me go through the world better that way there. Me go through the world better that way.
When I say Jayden and Fabi left again. Okay.
Too cute. I come again. Me there from 21. Me there America from 21. And I left Jamaica from 2019.
Too cute. When I say, when I hear them say Jayden and Fabi left.
You think so?
When I hear them say, we're rental there. You need to come to them. No.
Which rental?
The brown girl will see me back here.
Oh, Jayden said she should come back now.
That thing say?
If I rent him the rental. Come here, Jayden and Fabio work on that style and we do it. We like all of them together.
Somebody said them saying I come and say, "In go sleep with one and gift her." With the moderator. I don't know if that goes up. And she take back the microwave. And the mirror.
That me can't bother with. Me can't bother for them with nobody and come with the picnic business. Cause if they give me something, I take it back. Now when me are friend, me don't want it back. If they buy me something.
It's when people do your things to hurt your feelings. Something come out of your mouth, something you wonder how it come out of your mouth. Always remember that, especially in a relationship.
That one time me ever get somebody sit down and take it back and me regret it up to today dear. Me know them the type
Because
of people.
all food and somebody say them belly full and me dash all the blood clot plate and the food and everything. And like me I say, boy, you shouldn't do that, you know, because they say I'm not good sitting, but sometimes you vex, you act so quick, Hey, let me tell you what happened to me. The wickedest thing ever happened to me with food. Me have $1,500 in my name. And me say, I think I don't have a police boy yard. Me go in there and clean up and everything. I left a key and me clean up and everything and at night when he come and give me 5 bills. And me say, is a beef and onion me want to processors, you know. I hit my chest there pan. And that me want to eat. Never forgot, you know, I want youth and pepper. Me say to him, say, you have a bicycle. I say, right, go buy one beef and onion for me processor. And he take him money from me and he go buy food. So when the blood clot boy ride the bicycle and come in front of me, from the see my come up in lane, you know, he say, yes, food a come. So the boy hand me food. You know what the boy said to me?
Wow.
Then me buy curry goat, because curry goat nicer.
Oh, God.
And chew a blood clot food and I got and use my foot and tap up in that blood clot there. Me say, no, never bun me. So, you know what years been a chat to him? The boy say a curry goat in buy, because curry goat tastes better. From me know myself, me never buy curry goat at a restaurant, you know. Them the time there, you know. Never ever in my life, you know. Because me no like them the kind of meat, the beef and this, me no like them sitting there, you know. And since me in a age and now, I'll go to Coolie and go buy one curry goat. First time me no fancy them sitting there, you know. Curry chicken me like. XO. Me say a dash in a blood clot got and rub up my foot in it, man. Me say if you cut me that
maybe buy it thinking say I gonna say I want it and give me.
Yeah. The man say big man and a pick me I talk about in a big man, you know. The man say a curry goat in buy, because curry goat tastes better. And enough him blood clot money. Oh, the blood clot. This is a most sign and wonder to blood clot.
Maybe me think I gonna give him a 5.
No, we not gonna eat it. We not gonna blood clot, yeah, me. You must think me go tell him take it and go on. Not even dog them to blood clot now, I'm none. You will me bets. I go to fling you up and I won't stop to blood clot.
So when you dash around him see, what him say?
Look how you man dash your food. You know if you dash your food in a bad blood, this is go suck out your mama. Oh, bad blood. So one day I will come where you go want. Kiss my ass. If you didn't even come, I remember.
Oh, God. I don't talk to you, Dan. I not tell you that I'm reaching a better place. I'm not rich. I'm not... You know, but me alright, my love.
And everybody want rich big one. Some people just want comfortable in their skin. And now no stress. You can't find your food. Your bills pay. You and nobody now have nothing and you're good. You know if you wonder where you go sleep tonight. You understand what I say? You have your yard. If you got your yard and go lie down, sleep. When you wake up for even 2 dumplings and butter, you can boil it, you're contented. You see, you can make yourself contented with whatever you have. That's one of the greatest thing.
You need to wait to hear the real news. Sometimes you just do some things just to see what people have to say. What you are going on now? Me I go talk about squash. And what I go on with squash 100%. So this is what's going on with squash right now. Squash have been arrested, yeah. And where he was is with Sean Kingston by a local boat party where them did have. You understand? So the feds was actually watching squash. And when squash goes and move towards a car and stand up outside the car, the driver when they in the car have a strap on him. And him also have a strap under the seat and a neck strap in the glove compartment. Squash did not enter this car as yet. The feds them run down pan Squash, hold him because them know the car, run through the car and actually took him, lock him up and put the charge for him for the gun them. Squash did not enter the car. So people, we are carry on the big false news them wanna run on the internet with, me I telling you what is real. Now, the reason why Squash is still in arrest, him still not come out because him get bail. but him still not come out. Why him still not come out if him get bail? You will ask. Remember that him have a little altercation before with the feds. You understand? The gun look a foolish for them that talk about him get shot and all of that. Nothing no go so. Squash never even get a gauge. The man even come out himself and tell the world say, me never get no shot. So me don't know what I talk about. The man never get shot. So straight up a lot of things.
People, you see, and that's why in life you know you can't jump to conclusion. You have to wait. You know what I mean? Because you see how people are growing and I say, Ray, was squash, especially Blamdem, Blamdem, and them no hold on pan the youth with no machine. You see me I say? So this is just what him I say still. Me not see no concrete proof. So me can't really go with what him I say, but me don't feel like nobody are gonna come out brawling and say something like this and it no go so. But we are gonna watch and see what happened. You know what I mean? Some want to tell me what they think, cause I have a video with Blamdem, our youth scene, and the youth I say him glad to them take squash off our road. And then the youth say it's like, yeah, the reason why nobody can hold on and squash or do him nothing because him a hide and do what him a do. People them not see him. You understand? So me I say okay then. Him smart that way there, but why would he have so much machine? You see me I say? Him have whole heap of little virgin. Why him not have one of them? You know what I mean? Around him at all times. So machine did it if him not supposed to have a machine. You see me I say? So there is, as me say, three sides to every story. You know what I mean? So me don't want to think me people. Me I gonna make you hear what the youth have to say and what Blamdem I say. Also. So me go watch some more.
Run on the internet I said is incorrect. What is real is what I just said. And what I just said is 100% facts.
Based on that, based on those situations, a girl right now in Canada, a girl right now in America, a girl right now in England, a man in Canada, a man in England, a man in America right now would want to give a young lady or a young man the opportunity in Jamaica to do this, but they are not going to because of situation like this. Yo, they see it far too much where men and women get the opportunity. Woman struggle to bring you come America. Man struggle to bring you come America. As you come America, you dish them dirt. You dish them and treat them like shit. And at the end of the day, yo, nobody now can talk about it. You just mash up how much man opportunity in Jamaica. Thank you very much, people. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Big up yourself, Lisa. You just mash up a whole lot of opportunity for men. You know what, woman? Yo, we not see it, you know. The thing about it, you know, not see it because we not look. And a lot of we not look because if it's not mixed up, we not look. But if you listen to all the girls them a talk now. I mean, not talk about Jamaican girl. I mean, not talk about the girl them a Jamaica. Me I talk about other races of women. How them come out on the media now bash Jamaican men and bash Jamaican women. We not see it. And because a situation like this. And because a girl, when a born in our culture, see a man in our culture and decide you don't give him an opportunity, but he now but give him an opportunity because she say, yo, he's gonna come do me like that. Because if him can't do a Jamaican woman like that, why him wouldn't do me worse? But a lot of you not seeing it. Because your head is too far up your ass. And at the end of the day, you go say, none of my business. It is our business. Once it's on the internet, it's all of us business. If them put them on our internet, it's all of our business. Come on, man. Yo, we're not afraid to call them out. And yo, you know what me like? Me like when a people have status like this, a people where everybody know upon the internet, a people upon the internet with their life out there. Me like use them. For sure people say, yo, wanna do? Bro, your wife, I don't care what you want to say about your wife. Give her the common decency. Show her the common decency as a man and say, you know what? Hey, me no business what Rochelle want to say, you know. You know what? I am going to, yo, brother, Yo, when your life reach up a stage where people have a company internet, I try to find your base. When CC, big her up. A girl with name CC, me like her is a shame because I realize she's a very nice person. So big up CC. When people have a company internet, I try to find a location because your wife will bring you America don't even know which base you're there. He's a wicked boy. I don't care. No. I say wickedness that. You and I not have no form of relationship, but you have a child, your kid is involved, brother. Enough of way, and that's why people say we are dirty father, and that's why they have black man and all the white boy them a run joke, and when them say, give me a joke that a black man can't manage, them say, my father sticked around. Enough of way, no want to stay with the pitney them. Before me ever me take them for myself. I have 3 mothers for my child, and I'm baby mother thing. Me not have no baby mother. I have 3 women who gave me gifts. I have a big daughter that is 26. I have a next daughter that is 18. And I have 2 smaller kids. 3 women give me. Yo, all of me pitting them live with me. Sorry, you're not get none. And me bring them come here. If it do, me go broke me back for me pitting them. Me not care with you. I had some bitter man and bitter woman, and just because you can't have your way with the woman or you can't have your way with the man, or no hurt the kids them in the midst and don't even know, say, yo, and about you, and about me. It's about our kids. Boy, benefits. Yo, the army gonna take the benefits from you whether you like it or not. It is something that the army go take, brother. And you make you look like say out of your pocket you go pay. The army go take them a benefit there. Then the benefit there is, I know you alone I get it. And everybody in the army get it. For their family. And you make you look like say them a take something from you where you go. Yo, whether you spend 2, 3 or 10 million here in the army, those benefits aren't coming back to you. They are benefits for your spouse. And your spouse, Afi compound media of people are search where you're there. Yeah, wicked boy. And if I'm afraid to talk here, I'm afraid to tell him, say, yo, my youth, you're wicked.
Alright, my people, you are going now. See, me now go just jump to the conclusion and jump to say, boy, I didn't hear you wicked or whatever. Based on what we are seeing now, you can't say that. But if you stay like me, when you want to hear the next side of the story, then you know you're gonna reserve your opinion until you hear the next side of the story, because me been through relationships already, you know, my people, and people can tell us, boy, you know what I mean, even the person that I've been with, them can say, yo, him are the worst thing, you know, Ray, this and that. You understand? Although almost everybody will break up with an ex-person, with them partner, I gonna say, boy, them are no good, somebody, Ray. Although some are gonna say, yo, them partner good. But, you know what I mean, different stroke for different folks, with people. Depends on how a person deal with me in a relationship, or some deal with them. You see, starting off in a relationship with a person, me no might make mistake, you know. You see me, I say, you see it, but me always like try to start off the best way possible. You see me, if we're good. But if me start see some signs, then me I go be the worst thing in your life. You see me, I say, if you are doing things, me now go sit back and take what you are doing. You see me, I say, me I go want to hurt you back, and I saw it go in a relationship. So me no know if she hurt him, and him hurt her back. But based on what we are seeing now, dog, you're wicked, bro. Me not lie. This girl love you. I know that. Because she been showing. She been defending you on the internet. She been coming back to Jamaica back and forth. And when she not have it, she try and make it just to come visit you. She love you. You know what I mean? But no means a woman love you, she not gonna do your things, you know. You know what I mean? So me no know which part she go wrong, but she go wrong somewhere it seems. But as me say, me I reserve my opinion until me hear Dinier say something.
I'm not afraid to say, yo, my youth, how you do? I'm not afraid to tell other people to say, yo, no man, I'm wrong. Because we're such a bandwagonist. Cause yo, when people decide to treat other people in the wrong way, we run with it. Cause again, you know, we love a free over here, you know. Remember that, you know. Remember that we love a free over here, you know. So once the free a free, we love it. You know why? Once the free a free, we love it. We love the free as long as it is mixed up. As long as it is mixed up and run up and down and talk about in under people and cut down throat and who for pum pum big and who for this and who for that. We're all about it. But when it comes to factual things where we're supposed to really sit down and discuss, don't know we don't want to sit down and discuss it. Boy, you're wrong. Give the woman the benefit for your youth. Even if you don't care about the woman, remember there's a child involved. And enough time as man at that we decide, we refuse to understand, say, yo, I am not with the woman. The woman move on because of something where you do. Yo, sure. Hey, you see if you don't get me out over here, me go along body now. Tara there, tell me the Tara no there. Listen, you are the reason why she had to make the choice that she made. The woman never just get up and say, come out then here. You put her in the position. You put her in the position. And me can bet on this. 1,000 away over here. Me can bet you this. If Denier had gone out and catch an infection and gave it to Rochelle, he would have blamed Rochelle for it. He would have said Rochelle a cheat on him. But she decided to say, alright, you know what? I'm going to protect myself as a woman because I realize that you are this way. Because I bring you here. I didn't bring you here for those three women. I bring you here for me. I bring you here because I love you as your wife. And I am taking you here. So make we come here and work out life together. And you decide say you want to go this the woman, brother. And the woman put you out. And you spite the woman. Brother, you're a wicked boy, man. All I know you talk about say, oh, me can't wait for Denier come out and talk and shame me all I know. Me no shame. Me can't shame when it comes to them things there. Me not have family. Move and go. Someone are wicked. Cause someone are rejoicing. All I know come over here now. You know, say me know say someone are rejoice what Russia go through. No found not rejoice. You think me don't know someone are rejoice or no glad? Because no found no envious and covetousness. Covetous. Envy us and covetous. Because no wishing away in that position. So you in that position, you no care. I no found no glad. Time I remember the last situation with the deer game and how you dealt with it and how you stood by him in every way possibly, right? I don't like to see when man get opportunity. I'm not a mix-up page. I don't do mix-up, right? I don't like to see when a man or woman get the opportunity from anybody in Jamaica to go overseas, and then when they go overseas, them dish the person dirt, meaning them disrespect, treat the person like the person or give them the opportunity of a lifetime. I've been watching this. I've listened, I've watched the screen recordings. I've never been over on your live. I've never been on anybody's live talking about it. I normally go through screen recordings, listen to what you say, listen to your pain, understand where you're coming from. The last one that I saw that really turned me or hit me the wrong way was the one that I saw when you said your eyes are swollen. And I know when your eyes are swollen, meaning that you're crying. One of the things is I want to tell you as a father, and as a man, there are good men out here like us who wants to and that will support you and stand by you. I don't think anything that he's doing is right. I know it's wrong because I have seen your pain here. I have seen the dragons before this. So this one and the first one, this and the second one, this and the third one, I have seen a lot of them, right? So as I said, you're comfortable over here. Nobody can diss you before. Once somebody diss in the comment section, me turn you off. I'm not afraid of no boy, I'm not afraid of no girl. If anybody try to violate you, that's it. Comment, turn off, and then go on about them business. If you have a problem with her being here, if you're going to have a problem with what anything that she's going to say, please, at the top right hand corner of your phone, there's an X out and leave. Swipe up or swipe down. We not take no disrespect over here. Moderators, me no care who. Block. This is no mute thing. So if you disrespect her in the comments, we are going to block you. No mute. Block. Thank you very much. Hi, welcome, Rachel. Wagwan, Mama.
Thank you, sir, for having me. It's a pleasure being here throughout everything that's been going on. Yeah, I've been watching you from morning, and as you know, I'm pregnant, so I'm super emotional hearing it from a man perspective, defending me in this way, knowing that all the females, what they have done, instead of stood by me, they tear me down, right? So I just want to tell you, thank you so much for at least coming out. You just start the truth, point blank, period. You tell the truth and adjust the truth. And that's exactly what happened. There's no going around it. There's no prettying up nothing. It's just the truth. I've held this man down from Mega High School. From Mega High School. And having children is something that me and Daniel wanted so bad. And he knows that to the core, that how much we wanted children. I lost 3 children for him. A lot of people don't know. I lost 2 for Daniel. A lot of people don't know because it's not something me and Daniel ever spoke about. But since it's already out there, I'm a YouTuber, content creator, wig influencer. I always do my thing. So I always travel back and forth straight for this person. I'm not there for one long conversation. Then we go separate ways. In cheat on me, have a baby, I forgive him, I held him down, and come over here, find out say my cheat. Really, I've never kicked out them here. I just told him to leave when I found out that he was cheating. When I went into his phone and I saw he started treating with the 3 different females. I never kicked him out. You know what I did? I packed my stuff and I went by my mother. Because I could have stayed there with him, and I know it was wrong for me to kick out somebody, because even what he did, I still have the courtesy.
Hey people, remember when Blinga tell Rochelle say, hurry up and make the near come and fire because I see him think he might come over there con do, and so she say, I see him thing happen. But listen to me people, man I go cheat. You see me I say men I go cheat. That's in men nature to cheat, but that don't mean say them they love you. But me nah say a woman don't feel hurt if her man cheat and them something there. You see me? The near a boy we can put on him clothes. You see me I say, so girl I go want him, and you know what I mean, the way how Rochelle love that youth. Other woman out there I go say, hey, cause woman bad mind, you know, them I go say, hey, when Rochelle love pan him some want find out. You see me? And then this man I go foreign and him I go see some different type of girl where him never deal with before, and him I go want try him luck cause him I go a party and them sitting there. Girl maybe push up in him. You see me? But it just seemed to me that them have a bad argument after she find out say him a cheat on her, and him say boy this girl that maybe I go hold certain things over him head, and it better him just take away himself and go live him life, because him can't go stop cheat and the argument I go continue, and he may be fed up of the argument with she. You see me? So that is just my opinion on what I think happened.
Not shorting stuff them. And I left. In fight with a blessing, and I had to call the police, and the police said, no, the baby has to go with the mother. And I did that, and I left by my mom. He was there, and he said that he stood by me knowing that he had did me wrong so much times. He come out on the internet and I play a victim because he's a narcissist. He play a victim for everything in you. He's not the type of person who come out and address nothing. He rather try to cover it up to fool the crowd. But by right here, he left, he went into the army, and I didn't know anything about them here. When I tell you that he didn't want to tell me nothing at all. When he just went in, he used to send money. And I'm a girl, me always a work and I have my own money, so he's not a girl who depend on man. We do my own thing. I'm a hustler. Right now I'm there at the UPS. I send off my 8 packages them with me with them and stuff. Me's a hustler. Nobody can cuff me out. Me do my thing. I know me have my youth to them now. So it's not about money anymore. It's about our kids. So come on. I feel text on your phone and argue with you. I beg you. Yesterday I texted him. I said, then here I want money to deal with some things. He said, don't have it. And remind you, I know you get paid the 1st and I know you get paid the 5th. And I have to be arguing with this man back and forth. I just feel like say because I left him, make him really spite me. But you know, spite me, you spite your youth them. And when it comes down to his outside child, anybody watch my YouTube video know say I mean used to remind them here to take care of an outside child. Now my auntie, as much as it hurt me, because baby innocent. Even though it hurt me to my core and everything come out on the internet and drag me and embarrass me, it was the most embarrassing time of my life when he did that, because he was playing on my face. So I defended him while he knew he had a baby. And I still defended him, and the internet deal with me as if, yo, and it was whatever. I'm saying my husband, the Bible says, stick by your husband and do not to do, and I will forgive him, and we went through counseling. I was thinking in my head, once him come over here and him join the army, he might get in life together. Yeah, understand him, I got do by right by him family. He did the complete opposite, not even 8 months good. Start go party, start go left me and blessing home. He just change. When one night we going on phone, I was shocked. I don't know me now. If me for sure the messages them wanna say. Then you pass wicked at this point. And you see, in spite of everything I'm still trying to make, I mean I live for God. I'm not perfect. I'm nowhere near perfect. But me know me I walk with God and me know my God. And there's certain things me don't want to do. The harm in career in nowhere. Everybody has to put in child support. Everybody has to do. I don't want to go that road. I just want this man to stand up. Me there one by myself. I'm pregnant. He don't know how my rent pay. He don't know how my light bill pay. He don't know nothing pay for me. And me come out every day and hustle. Sell me things them. Come to my TikTok. Make me YouTube videos. Sell me ear them and do my thing. He not help me with nothing. So when he just start out, he used to send me money, and me never question how much money I get. Me never question the benefits me take home I get. As means that girl. But since recently, nothing he might use his mother situation. So let me ask you a question. Because the fact that your mother passed away, that means that me I'm blessing to suffer, we not to eat. Life does stop for we. May I ask you a question, Mr. Because I'm asking you.
All right. No, listen. I believe, guess what? The Bible says, because I realize that you do the Christian thing, and I know I was grown in a Christian home, so I know how it goes. The Bible said, leave mother and father and cleave to your wife. Right? I know it's the woman that brings you come here. I know that the woman passed away, but that no means your life stop. Right? It means that your life will continue. And nobody now tell if it no grieve. But where your family is concerned, you will have to protect. It's not a girlfriend and boyfriend thing, It is past that stage, It's a wife and husband thing. So at the end of the day, you have a wife. That is your family. That's your immediate family. At the end of the day, you will have to support your family. No matter what you go through. But if you had been there for your wife and your wife and not cheat on your wife, you would have a strong woman supporting you when you're going through whatever you're going through with your mother's death.
He called me, and the one who, after everything that they have done for me, I still support them here. I still pray for you. I still tell him, so here, I know your mother was very close to you, just going with it like a G. If then you have never done what you have done to me, and I try to spite me, with the kids, I'm afraid argue, me are the last person to come talk about me and then your relationship, because it's a man that I love up to this day. I still love him. I try to ask that to remove this love from me have, remove this as love and hate when I have feeling in my heart, because of how hurt I am, the anger that he brings up inside of me. And when if me don't talk about it, I live in Atlanta by myself. I have nobody where to vent to. Social media is where I come, and I know it's not the best place to vent, but when I talk, I feel better. Who want bash me, I reach to the point where they drag me for this man. At this moment, I can take him and have him. And that I tell myself, take him and go on with him.
Right, well, you know what I go on.
Wagwan, tell the people more wagwan. People more hear wagwan.
People know wagwan. People know say them whole squash with sawed-off shotgun. Mm-hmm. The minimum a 10 year if you get charged with that. But you might get deport still. Yeah, man. So I don't up on Shelly page a couple nights ago and she blocked me. So I know she blocked me fast, so it's too late. She blocked me now. But I tell you something to you, Blamdem. I know he's a Fort Lauderdale man. He's a Fort Lauderdale man. 954 Broward, deep side, 56. Mm-hmm. And I said, the man them free that squash, but squash are hiding under badness. But God said squash gone.
Are you telling easy? You have to get up from where you're the foolishness.
I don't know foolishness, my youth.
No, man, I don't know foolish, but remember, you know, you come first, you're a German, now you're a squash. Come. I wish where you call from, which county?
Broward County 954, man.
It's a Broward County squash, say?
No, squash their dead. Broward County, me there. I watch how you talk, so Broward County was squash their dead. But they don't squash their dead, so I just go on, so I go on. God climb, boy, never come.
Buck, like, every while on this, every time they see me on live, I know I call. Call while on this. Yo, wait, dog, they send it. Yo, Squash, send back a request. Informer, send back a request, Informer. Bomba, Informer, as a company life, you belch, bro. Batman is a company life, you belch, Batman. You get installed from that. You have to be on like 1 minute, could you belch, bro? Bomba, dog. Dog, get disgusting, you know, dog. Tap man, tap no man.
Alright, sorry.
Alright, me dog, alright, not so 40. So, when me have to moving forward. So what going to become him right now, Mr. Shitgut?
Well,
Mr. Shitgut, she.
It's the man of 5'7", 220 pounds.
That's why man big and fat, dog. Yo, look on the phone, how much pound is it?
220. Hey, Blam.
Then you like King Garon. You feel like King Garon.
Blam, they will kill him with lick, guarantee you.
Yeah, they will beat him down.
They will kill him, I swear to God, they will kill him with lick.
Well, my people, you see, if I ice have him, cause I ice them say have him, I think, you know. If I ice have him, then me don't think nobody are gonna do him nothing or can do him nothing. Me don't know still, cause damn a man come and say, boy, him used to fight when them have him, so you know what I mean, maybe them can rush him still, cause depends on who the people them is and how much them want him, and him and people have real beef in the street, and if them the people they have people up in the place which part him there, it's either him have to go in at the box, or you know what I mean, stay in the public and watch out for himself, and you know what I mean, hope say them they rush him and done him. You see me? So, let me know what they think the people. We're going to listen some more of this and then we're going to go over Shibada, because Shibada have some things to say also about squash.
Man, want hold him, you have to punch up the rate him and them in stop playing.
Hey, man. Fort Lord and all the man, the muscle man, them know. You don't know what going on already, man. I'm saying, them are killing them there. Because right now, J-Man, the account, man, them not help J-Man still, you know.
Seven can help himself, when go help J-Man.
No, man, the man can't help, man. He must have some pocket can't help.
That's true, because Big Breeze, I will if I double, I get shit. He must have
right now, J-Man lawyer jump off of the case, and it's a delay tactic still, but J-Man lawyer off of the case, and J-Man want any help him can get right now, I'm telling you the truth.
J-Man, Ray-Man, all I man them.
Yeah.
What we call the name of man, Fanny?
Squash man. Squash man.
They want to man make people in here. Squash man, J-Man,
Fred man, J-Man, Squash man. Be a man.
Be a man,
G-man, one bag of bleach out, man.
Ray-Man, all I man them.
One bag of bleach out, man, Airbnb and dog up here.
And they cook food. And they drink beer, man, they pop beer pill. And they show them man in the wood.
Yeah. I try to impress the people over here with fridge, but them have spice fridge. Man, they with food fuck. When them cross the border.
You see me that. When you fridge, they can't do YouTube.
Yeah, spice fridge, Jamaican them call it. Man, them food.
My man, I try to impress the people with the spice fridge.
Yeah, I know me and you there a long long time. I'm going to try to impress her.
Yo, I know me, I can't. Me never try to impress. I bust my ears. I can't.
With a spy for you.
Yo, I'm trying to spread them in my dog. Yo, me have to follow you, bro. Yo, me get follow you. Deserve a follow you.
Yo, you know you page telling my dog.
Yo, me follow you, bro. Me have to rate your dog. You know, if you feel like me know you, and I plan.
No, I say something to you.
Every time I kill this, and then the whole heap of that, they think that we are doing the same thing.
Same thing. But when there's a Shelly, or your son, or when you know your son, and some crazy.
Yo, informer.
Yo.
You then kill this, and what this, and do, and the while them do them sit there. So they think so we and them do them sit there. You tell me not to then kill this. If you see the picture where they have, they say me.
Yeah.
They look at the picture, boss said name, did they say? Boss said, you know when they send somebody something on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Shotty. Boss said name did it. Where they train Sean Dunce, I don't know about phone. You don't know if it crap out it. So boss said name a show. Boss said name a show up on the picture. They said bedroom and done. They sit down and send people to bring down people. So they think that me and you are the same thing. Catch what that them do. You understand? But poor men know everyone know you out. I swear to God, people. I don't know this man fan cannot paint where you see us up on the life.
Brother, me just see you right.
Me just see man a German picture up. I know what's going on
right now. And my son embarrassing to you. On my real page, you message me on my real page, ask me for my number. I'm gonna send it to you. So you don't know me a who by. I think you can tell that directly.
It's no back funny man and make me know who, you see me?
Yeah, that's why
you know me in a person.
Yeah, man, no, yeah, man.
I want to link that man father, man, you see me then for you know me.
So less, man.
But I'm going to tell the people all I man them, because when I give man them name, all of them have man pan their name. I don't understand. Tell people, go count man them, hold on. I want to man, you know.
Hold on, let me start.
People know them, help you count man them, because I want to man, you know.
G, man. Red man.
Do that.
Squash man.
Try that.
J man. Oh, bro, say enough more man out there.
Well, I'm going to name man them no man. Come, what every time? Real man.
Real man.
5 that.
5 that. I'm by a man in 511 pop up. I'm not counting money with Jack.
Yo, come with the Shelly get all and son them one Batman name. You believe me?
Man, Shelly don't know. You so Shelly spells.
The bomber class, yo.
You so Shelly spells squash name Andre. I'm not looking for one name. I can't find the one. We don't
Hold on. You have to stop before she start. You have to stop before she dog. Stop the bad man. Stop the bro.
Look how Shelly spell
where people blame the dog. But me can't follow me.
Look how Shelly spell one.
Remember, say me have a reason why me I do this, you know, bro. You know, why I do them that, bro? You know, we're a bad man. You tap the man them so bad man. When you explain to people, we have to explain to people good, so people can understand. You understand, family? So spell it real Andrew. How if it spell?
Right, brother, I tell you.
How shall spell? Not tell the people. We know why people say we don't.
Brother, one time me have a time.
Why the people, John, whatever deal with squash mother so. Boy, I tell her, and you know what I mean? It now feels her still in our people because she got this them back, you know. Once she hear this, you know, she a go up on her live, got this them back, you know. Me I tell you, you know. Yo, but Blamdem have a different level. I dislike, you know what I mean? For squash, him mother, everyone him friend them. You see me? John was style. Like them do Blamdem something terrible with people. Like them unalive people for Blamdem and them way there. Jaja. But let me know all the thing with people. I listen some more and then we go wash them other.
Andre at the blood. I said, I'm going to find the man name.
So Shelly they try to spell Andre and say Andrea.
Let me say, look how Shelly spell the man name. Andrae. Which Andre name? Which Andre no name spell so? Shelly Downs your fuck. Me say me just
Paper, I real Andre is spelled.
Big like an ass.
What are the family? When we people come in. Paper, honest. I real Andre is.
You just smart your fuck.
Yo bro, you know some tell the people I'm saying don't and believe me bro. Me always tell the people I'm say in dance but they don't believe me bro. Spell it them again. Tell it them so people can understand. Go and spell it bro.
Andrae. Andre. So Shelly spell Andre. So that's such a name Washman. Man, I call the phone man. But see what Jamaican
spell it. If I can't get man. Watch out, paper, I real Andre is.
See the real, see the chat there. The chat the dung soon.
ANDRAE I go. Tell me now. Where that I go? ANDRAE.
Chrome, that I go.
Bumbleclad youth. Where they went, I remember in Bobby 6 and Jack Cross the bar that squash back.
Yeah man.
Alright. So fine stand. It cross the border, you see me? And when the dog cross the border, then left him mad. Him mad if he cross the border. You know, so when Shelly reach a border after I left Panama, I reach a Mexico. And when he reach a Mexico airport, and he asked Shelly, say, where are you going? They can't tell me what Shelly say.
What Shelly say? Come in over here.
Hold on, paper. But you can't tell me. When the people from Mexico ask Shelly, say, where are you going? Better can't tell me what Shelly tell the people them say. God, yo, I got alone have to tell me, bro. Cause me can't. No comment and tell me. Bump up flat, you.
What is the cross the bar?
Watch it up. Me I go end my life, bro. Me now go this, bro. me I go end my life. Me I go end my life, bro. Me I go end my life. So please, moderator, any life for me. Cause me can't end life. Any bump up flat life. End the life. Any life. Bumbleclad. Shall you tell the people I'm America? People I'm alright then. Alright, hold on, they will soon come back. And deport him go back right now. He can't go back to Jamaica, none tall. He can't go back to Mexico then deport him and put one stamp and put one seal and one clothes for his name.
Yo, she can't tell you what's smart. Shelly can't fly in a youth.
Shelly can't fly go nowhere.
Shelly can't fly go nowhere.
Shelly never got to school. Look, bro, paper. When me tell you say Shelly done, you know, bro. I want to believe me, no, bro. Cause I don't want to think a joke, you know. People, when me tell you say Shelly done, I want to not believe me, bro. I want to believe me. Cause I don't want to think I'm no joke thing, bro. Shelly done, so bumbleclad youth. I'm going to give you one perfect example. If you show say Shelly done. Look how Shelly spell Andre. N-D-R-A-E. Who the hell in this world spell Andre like that, bro?
Shelly.
Then if you go back a bumbleclad school, they come and call me name every day. You wish me get deport, you wish me unalive, you wish all sort of man of evil. You said police for me, you got Oberman for me, and you still can't better Shelly. Shelly, you can't give up now. Hey, Shelly, you got him me picture of me about 3 years old. Yeah. They put up. Come with a better picture, man, Shelly. Come with a clear picture, man. Then the picture the way I come with me look too young. People can't go figure me out, so. So then the young picture they will not come with the Batty man Gatti. Where man them take away X5. Gatti, remember say then take away X5 from Maryland now. I remember say Gatti, when they have a little music platform back in the days, you have a little girl in a portable in a big house, I them off. I agree off Batty boy. Tell the people them that Batty boy Gatti. You careless, Batty man.
Yeah,
Dirty waste man, all deported boy.
In a malice with each other. No, for sure. But they got away. Woman as it say, world that are in farmer. Then squash really come on. I'm nervous, you know. I want to call Trump and tell Trump to keep squash up there. Because the whole of squash brother them dead out here. And for him come back out here. No. If they can take the years and rub the sentence, I don't want him come back. We have to look out for people no matter what. I don't want him come back though. Bad to bird. Bad to bird. Somebody said nervous, so I said, oh, no, I'm nervous. I don't want him come back, man. I If I want to testify so about the goodness of Jesus and all that he has done for me, my soul cries out, hallelujah, thank God for saving me. Okay. I must that never do. And then say a word that drop the bomb. Then say a word that inform. I saw me here, me don't know about it. I don't know nothing about it, people. You get what I say? I don't know nothing. I saw me here, I saw me here. I ain't gonna sell it, no, I don't pay my babies. Then what are we here? Rosealee asked GX if a wacky Wednesday, so we are talking the wackiest things. I saw me here, so world dog a snitch. Then you could have world dog my secret for put up world dog say his mother is more important to him than God. I saw me know me couldn't like world dog. World dog I saw me know me couldn't like you. Your mother more important. Then what kind of message that you are sending out as an influencer? Your mother, you love it. I want to get the correct word, but basically you must say you love your mother more than God. Basically, he must say him love him mother more than God. Do you think me could have looked for a world dog? World dog made a piss in a cup when it infected, when the urine infected and give you. Make you slurp it like a beer. But your hope is not true. But your hope is not true, guys. Because the last me did go a while ago. What's your business? Go shady, nothing. You hope nothing is not true. Nothing.
Hey people, enough time. Me hear she wanna come boy and come chat some things, you know, we just take it lightly, you know, because she wanna that, you know what I mean? And then we find out say boy something really goes up. But more ask on this question here, or the feel say real dog rate for real. Tell me in the comment section, you know, because it's not impossible. Because remember them have things span him, you know, or America run, you know. You can less the time where you get when you give up somebody big, you know. See, you know, squash is a big feat, you know what I mean? So, hey, plus the way how the man explained squash situation earlier on, it shows that them never really have nothing for lamp and squash for. But you know what I mean? Maybe them want pin on some more things on him what them already have, but them want hold on upon him first. So them just use that as a reason for hold on upon him. So make we see if them are going to put nothing more upon him while him in there, because ice them say have him. So me don't know what is what, but make we watch and look and listen to people. Let me know what they think. Watch some more.
Teach me for wine. I soon teach you. So you say hope is not true. Then lady, you know say you're mad. You know say you're mad. He's a mad bitch. He's a mad bitch for the program. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Let me say this too. It's the holy power I'm telling you this on a daily, you know. I'm not lucky God is not like me. And I could never be like God. Because when they talk about you to be Christ-like, I not even know the first thing to be Jesus-like. God no. Every day me I try to be Jesus-like and it's so hard. Every day me get up my plan to be doing everything Christ-like. I mean love. Everything of this world me I do. And I always say to them, say, why are you not baptized in the spirit in them people here? Why? When a man can sit down who just escaped something that he calls death, simply means that he never escaped shit. He set up that shit. When your life flash before you. So if you love your mother more than God, why every Sunday when you come on and you not praise God and not cry? I tell you to say one thing with Father God. He will never give me a word and make it feel everything when I say about Uno is true, because I always come out in Jesus' name. There and then you get the biggest prank on the life. There and then you get the biggest prank on the life. You cried when gospel pride. You drain the internet. You allow the internet for company and you have talk about say you a fame and kill no. Fame and popularity. What does it profit a man to gain this world? This world have nothing to offer but fame and hype. And that the whole of we sell we sold for fame and hype. And we don't know say someone we famous Someone we famous in our own rights. I true we don't know how people love we. We not have to fight for the fame on a daily. You don't know. You come and you cry and you drain people energy. You drain people energy. And all me I tell the people them say, tell him go suck out him dead mama. Tell him to go suck out his dead mom. All me I tell you no cost me. See there? Never have to say nothing. I did not have to say much. The proof is in the pudding. And you know what is so funny? When I see the things that man shame behind closed door. But you don't know me go call on out. You don't know me go call on out. You cannot come as somebody who believes that they are iconic to others who are striving to be like you. You understand me? You cannot come on a global platform and speak against the Messiah. You blaspheme. You can't speak against the Messiah. You Peter, you deny Christ. You deny Christ. I mean, must sit on yourself and bind to one who don't even know one line of the scripture. Me not help no atheists, me not help no demonic seeds. Me not help, me have my own set of demons them I walk with. I mean, I beg God deliver me from them. Exactly. And it's all for money. Money is the root of all evil to the point where world have denied Christ. Money is the root of all evil, up to the point where world dog deny Christ. How much of world dog gift us God deliver? Mighty God. How much of world dogs gift us God bless? How much? When world dog gets shot, una sit down and the whole internet mash up, knowing say big's bite him. A big's bite him and push him over the fence.
This is on the media they lose it, you know. Then wait. I saw no really upon the media they jayden name, the artist name. What for? Are they in dead? One of the things the prison will make for dog, or jail will make for dog. One or two blood clot mix up enough. I saw the song on the media read if the man don't fall. Me can't know say nothing on the bad mind the artist. Those bad mind. But me tell you something. One could have drag your name up, don't run about in Mexico to blood. So I guess who not care. Shelly I guess so. I'm not dead in dead. Are they in dead? I kill somebody. I'm telling you this now. God not following for one man all stop. I hear all of no day is coming. You not kill nobody. I topic pan TikTok squash. Go look at cock suck. Some on the girl, man, no batty, man, the rev out on the batty wall. Go find something constructive do. Squash alright when they don't think of D-E-A-D in dead, in not dead. That means if I dead, the man dead. I say, well, no, I wish the man don't fall. Fuck the world, fuck no. Now here, who God bless no man, curl, suck no mother. I saw no sit down, I want to visit the man dead. Hey, remember, you know? But tell us, say, God is a fear God. Never wish for nobody boy upon this downfall, no so good girl. Nobody never wish for the downfall upon it up. What the man do, no, because he always a trend? He always a trend? I don't favor idiot. What I know, a prayer, me use and win. Prayer, me use and win. Now get that blood clot straight. I don't think that me go come live when I get the screen record and run with.